This is an opportunity to take a look at the recycling of solder metal scrap. Historically, most common solders are a tin-based alloy, and we are focused on the recovery of the scrap and residues generated from the use of solder materials. In an effort to understand some of the key fundamentals that drive the waste and recycling industry, we have developed a website, waste.net, to act as a tool to assist in grasping the 4R strategy of reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. The recycling of solder scrap typically begins by attempting to identify the type of alloy that you have. In the past, common solder used in plumbing and electronics assembly consisted of 60% tin and 40% lead, or a 63% tin and 37% lead alloy. To meet compliance for the European Union WE Directive, and the Restriction of Hazardous Substances Directives, also known as RoHS, and to meet worldwide efforts to reduce or eliminate the use of lead, manufacturers have switched to a lead-free solder, which is tin-based and commonly contains 3 to 4% silver, and up to 1% copper, or specialty low-temperature indium or bismuth-based solders. Solder dross typically contains melt bath skimmings, solder drippings and solder residues, and may contain heavily oxidized materials. Each batch of solder dross requires an individual analysis, since the material recovery content may vary widely from batch to batch. The ability to perform real-time analysis with methods such as handheld spectroanalysis devices may bring some degree of certainty to your scrap identification procedures. We will discuss the thermal recovery of solder from populated circuit board scrap desoldering in greater detail at a later time. Waste.net is a tool to assist you in finding a market, with the goal of matching waste material generators directly with beneficial users of those materials. By connecting you with market participants, we foster collaboration and promote environmental sustainability. Waste.net also provides a neutral platform for anyone seeking current information or research data on solder or tin recycling. You may access and ask your recycling questions to a core group of experienced and knowledgeable recycling industry professionals from across the industry. Please feel free to visit us today at www.waste.net.